Yo, Creed, hello. And R1, welcome in. Hello. There's no waiting today. Fuck waiting. Fuck waiting. Who has time to wait? Who has time to wait? Look at this. Our to-do list is like a lot of ticks. Oh, ignore that, ignore that. And ignore this part. But look at that. There's a lot of stuff ticked. Oh my. Hello, hello. How you been? Oh man. Today I'm like, oh, I just want to play Enfield all day. And then I did. And now we have 20 minutes of day, what are we up to? Fimsh D7. So I was like, God damn. I I might as well start stream now. Get it in, do some programming. Doing the same at work, crossing out all the tasks. Nice. Owlkaline. Owlkaline VT Summer. Oh, hello, hi, hello. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It took me a hot minute to read. I don't know why. I don't know why. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do, and I don't really want to do any of it. But all of this stuff that's left to do is literally like how we release a game, and it's like, I don't want to. I don't want to. No. No. Mm, 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 mm. Did the YouTube accept my live stream? Oh, they did. Nice. Meow meow. Hello, Rust Winning. Welcome back. Thank you for the meow. I finally checked YouTube chat in time. Holy. Hello. Hey, Pia. Welcome, welcome. Look at all of these stuff we have to do. I don't want to do any of them though, so it's like, do I really? Thank you for the pets. Yeah, I was thinking, what do you think about an ability where when you press it, your tail and your head, they flip? I don't know what I think about this. Like maybe it's like too drastic because once you're big, that ability is like not good. But I guess it's good for the small finches. It is good for the small finches. Mm, mm, mm. Don't know. What kind of bugs do we have? Because there was a lot and we killed a bunch. You're not staying, no worries. Have a good sleep. Thanks for popping by. It should not be available very rarely. I mean, it'll be like once every like I don't know 5 seconds or 10 seconds or something. So it's not like you can do it a lot. It'll be you can do it, and then you have to chill for a bit, and then you can do it again. But like if you're a big finch, like an amplified finch, you have no idea when it is, and so the transition from head to tail is going to be drastic, and we would have to do rendering different because the tails. I don't know. Oh, we're also gonna make the thing where you follow the big ones and hope they flip. Or like the big ones are the worst ones for flipping. Because you don't know where your tail is when you're a big finch, and so you'll be instantly disorientated and not know how to do anything. But also, it doesn't just redistribute food, which I think is the important part. Because like, if we take Snake IO for example, when you boost, you leave pellets all over the ground, just like a peon, just like a peon. And so it is like it makes following the big finches a little bit more enticing because then you can pick up their remains if they boost, which often they do, and it's like an easier way of getting big. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe reversey, maybe not. Um, Yeah. Oh yeah, this collide, we can fix this immunity thing. I just need to not do what I've done currently. We can at least finish this part. Okay. Oh, well, thank you for the Aston Gamba. Hick. Hick. Oh yeah, I forgot I was trying to do this arrow thing and it turned out to be a lot harder than I thought. Because I was like, yo, we just, like, yeah. Well, it worked fine. It's just like when the Fimsh rotates, it rotates with it, and that's not okay. That's not okay. Um, what the? Okay, so basically, I'm looking for enable head collision. Yeah, okay. So I guess, hmm, we don't have this anymore. Um, I think we keep this. We keep this on, so we cut this out and we put this back into here. Save. And then this is we'll just pass this for now. Because what we will do is we still want you to collide with the wall, but not the tail. We go if area is tail and um immunity timer is stopped. Well and not immune. And let's make a function called not immune. Save. Here we go. Not immune. This one will be return. This returns a boolean. Uh, this would be enable collisions with tail, and then well, yeah, we have our immune is a boolean. When we enter tree, yeah, immune is equal to true. And then this enable collisions with tail. Head collision. Yeah. Bonk. This immune is equal to this. Yeah, and then later on we can add visuals for this. Yeah, thank you for the exclamation mark kick. You're right. Yeah, I've been doing a ginger shot. It's been so good. Well, like, Edeka has had like a big bottle of ginger shots in one big bottle, and I've just been drinking that like a drink. Oh, I love it. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it. It says it's with citron and honig, which is lemon and honey. Oh man, it's the best shit ever. Like, if you haven't done a ginger shot before, it's not alcoholic, so don't get your knickers in a twist about that. There's no alcohol involved. It's just like a ginger. It's just like a strong flavor. A lot of ginger flavor, and well, this one says it's like 64% apple, 20% ginger, 13% lemon, and then 3% honey. I don't know, it's fucking delicious. Oh, like, I didn't know there was honey in here. Honey is kind of weird. Oh, wait, am I translating that right? 3% though. Yeah. Yeah, I did translate it right. Yeah, I love ginger shots. It's so like, I don't know. I wasn't that much of a fan of ginger, but then like I kinda am now. I kinda am now. Here we go. We fixed the wall immunity stuff. Cause yeah, if we're not immune, we will die by tail. If we are immune, We'll still die by walls. Okay, nice. Finish. Okay, this one. That one done. I don't want to research tabbed out issues. No. Fimsh. Yeah. That one we get to. Index issues. I'm leaving that for later. Add username overhead in game. Oh. Okay. Yeah. We should do this. How do I do that then? Adding a username over the head of the players. So we add a child node that is is it a label? Wait, how do I do a 2D? How do I do text that is like in world position? Because like if I do like a label, right? Which label? If I create this label here, and then we do we need it? We go username here. Fit content. Yeah, we do want to fit content. Scroll active, no. Scroll following, no. Auto wrap off. Yeah, we don't want any wrapping. Trim spaces after and before, that's fine. Tab size. No tab size. Context menu, no. Shortcut keys, no. Horizontal alignment, center. Yeah, we'll center both. Justification flags. I don't know if we need any of that. Wait, so the layout is put contents minimum size. Custom. Because like, well, technically we want full rect and then just setting a transform, right? Because we want it to be like over the Fimsh's head like this, right? Is that it? Are we quote unquote done? Oh yeah. Okay, question. Wait, question. Let me show you what happened. Is this okay? Is it okay that the username rotates with the Fimsh head? I mean, it's a bit small at the moment, probably a bit close, but look, the username rotates with the Fimsh head. I mean, it's probably fine. I mean, we need to make it big up. Okay, it's fine. Stop. What does minimum size do? I don't know. Nothing. Where is my text? Well, okay, hang on. Let me at least. If we go into player, we go. Add export var the display username is a yes, and then well, what is this base though? Nothing useful. Okay. Okay, so then when we set the username, okay, find username. What, we never set the username on a Fimsh? That's just wrong. Am I dumb? Because yeah, there's username here, but how do we... Oh, is it always set because the spawner handles it? Does the spawner always handle it? Yeah, it does. Okay, well that makes things easy because it just means on enter tree display username dot text is equal to username, right? Okay, I did not like this. What was wrong with it? Text valid assignment will probably text with a type of value string. What the? Oh, I didn't actually give it the text it needed. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. Then we go back to player. Okay, where's my this? So I want to have it higher up and then also bigger. So yeah, minus 100. Oh, we'll have to move this as you get bigger and probably make it bigger as well. Okay, go pivot. Do we have a scale offset? It doesn't look like we have a scale offset. That's sad. How do I choose the font size? Is it under like theme overrides? Style? Uh, font sizes. Yeah. Okay. Is that too big or? Oh no, it's fine. Yeah. Okay. That's chill. Stop. What else do we need? Or was that it? Did we just finish the username? I think we just finished the username. Okay, nice. Where was that? Pressing. Oh right, the circle under the film strings. I think I worked out how to do that. Maybe I just need the size and the color. Oh no, I don't know how to draw a circle. That's what happened. I looked at it and I don't know how to do a circle. Any research on your Fimsh doesn't have a tail. I add username overhead. Yeah, we did that. Nice. I don't think we'll give away to respawn. I have someone doing the algorithm, hopefully, of this, which will be Pog. Fimsh sometimes doesn't get tail. Yeah, we've done this. Continue researching tabbed out issue. That's fine. Okay, let's make a temporary thing where you can flip the Fimsh. How would we do that? Wait, maybe this is easier than I think. If I wait no. I don't think it's easier than I think. Mm. Wait. Um, I should not have this in there anymore. um, oh yeah, I should add controller support. Oh shit, I'll put that as a thing. Controller support. Save. Okay, so here we go. What was that thing? Inputs. If inputs dot action pressed. Let's say accept. Well, we could just use left again. Let's just use left again. Okay. What I think we need to do is if we go to path, I think we need to get baked points length. I think over path. Because I kind of just want to flip it entirely. So I think what we need to do is we need to how do we store the curve? This. Copy. Because basically I think we will get something close to flipping the Fimsh if we do this. And then so this is the curve, which is a array of vector 2. And then we go for I. Is it I? I need to reverse it though. Wait, I just go curve dot uh insert empty read only same time. Mm, 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 mm. Reverse. And then we go for I in range of path dot points. Path dot points counts. And then we go path dot sets point position at index I. And then we need the position should be curve at 3 by I plus 2. And then in and out are reversed. So this is sets point in and set point out. So point out before was +1, so that becomes 2. And then this is yeah. So out is now in. Yeah. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so this flips the path entirely. Let's see if this works. Like, I think what will happen is the tail will flip, but our head won't be in the right place. Which we can solve. I think. We're gonna see what disaster awaits us. So let me get a little bit longer than this. Maybe not too much longer. Oh, it did not like that. What was our error? Invalid assignment index 0 on base array vector with type vector 2. Huh? Oh, I need to resize it. Okay. I mean, like... where did it go? Oh, here. We'll just use the same thing here. Okay, let's try again. Server. Flip. it goes to 0, 0. Oh, I know what we need. Let me enable drawing of the path so that we can actually see what's going on. We would also want to reset interpolation for all of the parts, but I guess for now that doesn't matter. Wait, that doesn't quite work. Why are the positions wrong? Did I do it wrong? Set position is curve plus 2. 3 by I plus 2. Oh, we reversed it though. Okay, hang on. So this is 0, 1, and 2. Don't worry, I worked it out. I did not work it out. Why is it always 0? Something's a little bit better, but like, not really. Is it 0? So at index 0 before we got this. And then we reversed everything. And so now this is now 2, that is now 1, and that is now 0. Yeah, so this should be correct. Well, let's keep the in and out the correct way around. Okay, yeah. The in and out is the in and out was definitely correct way around. It is not anymore. The question is, why is the position wrong? So if we just print out this. Okay, let's go paste this. Wait, so this is before, and then we have after, and we want to have them be the same numbers basically. So before 95, after 95, before 914, 914, 914, 914, 914. Wait, there's after is, yeah, 986, 999. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. 285, 99, 88, and then 95. Okay, that's fine. The position is correct. And then out is 1. This needs to be 2. This needs to be 1. But that doesn't stop it from going to 0. I am not understanding. Oh, I am understanding. It is like kinda working. I think the tail's too long for this to be flawless. I don't know. I think I don't think this is good. What I did just realize is we need to deal with, well, we need like settings and stuff. Because like currently, like when you full screen, yeah, you can see there's the background's fucked one, but then in this menu, yeah, yeah, this. Okay, I need to fix that. So, this is, I'm gonna put it up here. Bugs. Um, close visuals. Have background scale on menu. Have background left in game. Maybe settings menu. Oh, we do have some settings. We have one setting at least. Do we add a settings menu? Probably, right? I mean, why would we not? Why would we not? Um, why would we not? Wait, what? How do we menu this one? If I go expand on this and we click play. No, okay, that's not what that does. I don't know if I can even do this. What is this? Oh, this is the Fimsh background itself. Because the buttons expand correctly, which is good. Right? Yeah, they do. They do. We might want to put limits on them, but for now they do. Okay, so it's mostly just the Fimsh background. Where are you? Sorry, I just need to make sure. Transform. If I go anchors and then we go full rect, say click play. No. Where is this Fimsh background? It's right here. Hmm. Ordering, visibility. Mm, mm. Maybe we have to do a script to do all this. Let me have a look. Godot. Uh, scale. Scale. Oh, these are all Node 2D. Mm, mm, um, huh. Maybe I need something else. What is this? Canvas group. Child canvas item of canvas group draw on a single object allows to draw overlapping translucent 2D nodes without causing overlapping sections to be more opaque than intended. Back buffer copy. What is this? A node for back buffering copy. Buffering the currently displayed screen. The region defined. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Canvas modular. Oh, I know what we need. We need to map this to a texture. How do we do that? I did it once before. Mm, mm, mm. Maybe it's not under Node 2D. I think if we look up texture, rect, controller displays, what about render? No. Godot, render texture. Basically, we need all this to render to the texture and then scale. Sub viewport, right? Sub viewport. Sub-viewport isolates a rectangular region of the scene to be displayed independently. This can be used, for example, to display UI in 3D space. And what's this one? Container displaying the contents of sub-viewpoint. The container that displays the contents of the underlying sub-viewport child nodes. It is combined with. It uses the combined size of sub-viewport as minimum size and the stretch is enabled. Okay, so if I do this from the menu, you add child node, not that one. Add child node sub viewport container. We bring this up to the top and then we put the background into there. What's wrong with this? This node does not have sub viewport as a child, so I can't display attendance. Considering adding a sub viewport as a child to provide something to display. Size. Like this. 2D override stretch render target. Clear mode always. Update mode when visible. Disabled 3D rendering. We don't need XR. We don't need our 3D world. Transparent background doesn't matter. Handle input locally. We don't care. Rendering. Don't care. What is this? Variable rate shading disabled. Canvas item. Nearest. Okay, I don't think this does what I needed to do. Not yet, at least. Stretch is on. And I click play. No, wait, that didn't look. Why does stretch shrink? Mouse target stretch. Stretch shrink divides the sub viewports from effective resolution by this value. Preserving scale, this can be used to speed up rendering, for example. Stretch must be true for this to work. Do I need to set the minimum size? Size override? Size override did not work. Oh, that's not what I wanted. That's cool. Um, yeah, what the? That is not okay. Because basically we want the subview to, oh, not position anchors, full rect, click play. Oh, it didn't work. Oh no. Oh no. It don't work. Photo save. Yeah, so it doesn't scale right now, right? Yeah. Why not? What is this? Fimsh background. Stretch mode fit. Cover fit. Fit. The bounding rectangle of the child controls is automatically adjusted to fit inside the container while keeping the aspect ratio stretch cover. The width and height of the child is automatically adjusted to make the bounding rectangle cover the entire area container while keeping the aspect ratio. I think we want cover. Go save and then we go play. That doesn't change shit. Why not? Why do you not change shit? Play? No. Wait, it's kinda is. Like, what's going on when we're small? Wait, it's kinda working. Well, like, it's not, but also it kinda is. If I go stop. 2D override stretch. Update mode, when visible. Rendering. Sub viewport container. Open. Container displays the contents of underlying subviewport child nodes. It uses the combined size of subviewport as minimum size unless stretch is enabled. What about subviewport itself? Subviewport. Subviewport isolates a rectangular region of the scene to be displayed independently. It can be used, for example, to display UI in 3D. So viewport is a viewport that isn't a window, doesn't draw anything by itself. To display anything, some viewport must have non-zero size and be put either inside or a viewport texture. What is this? What is a viewport texture? viewport texture. Why go text direct here? Oh, viewport texture. Oh. So if I pop this out, and then this one we go delete. Save, play. Wait, it's not there. Where did it go? Yeah, viewport texture, sub viewport, expand mode, fit with width, stretch mode, scale, keep aspects. Save, click play. Why is it not here? Maybe I do need to add the sub viewport container for it to work. Click play. Which one is it showing though? I think I remote menu. So then if I go oh, this doesn't change anything. What? Stop. I make it invisible and then we click play. No. Play. It's not there. Why are you not here? Do I need add child node aspect ratio container? And then here we go layouts, anchor, full rect, save. Does it matter if this is in here or not? I didn't think so. Now we click play. Ah, where is it? I don't understand. Sub viewport. When visible. Okay, it does work. Okay, and then this one layout fill. Why is it not filling? Is it this? Oh, its position is wrong. Why is your position wrong? Correct. Transform. Anchors. Full rectangle. And then this. Children of a container get their position determined only by their parent. Well, yeah, but like... What is minimum size? I don't care about that. Begin? Begin? I didn't do anything. Why is it like this? It's not even there. It's not even there. Wait, if I had it outside... It's not even there. Okay, I need to look at an example. Okay, so we have a sub viewport here. It's gonna be whatever this size is. Well, hang on, if we go project settings, window 1152.648, 1152.648. Yeah, wait, it's gonna be this size, and then what? New viewport texture. Like it says it's there, but if I go save and then we go play, oh, it did work. Stop. Let me just delete this real quick. Position, anchor, full rect, play. Oh, yo, it worked. Wait, let's go by width instead of by height. Fit height proportional. Yeah, okay, nice. Oh shit. Yeah, okay. It's fine. What I do need to do though is here foliage terrain. I grab this one and we go duplicate. And then oops. Then I just move it over here. It'll fix the little bump thing, the little space, little gap that's there. Right. Yeah, so if I save this and then right click play. Yeah, okay, so this is what I've done. So now when you're in the menu and you yeah, like it all scales up with your thing. The only time it gets weird is when it's like this. Which I guess I could change. I mean the window minimum needs to be like this wide. We could change by checking the window size and just changing how we scale the stuff, but that's okay. Menu 2D. Mm, 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 mm. Keep aspect centered. Covered. Oh, yeah, that's so much better. Yeah, nice. Hog. Hoggies. We do need a minimum size though. It's like this. It's like this size. Do we need settings? We do need some sound settings and stuff. Anyway, I can take a thing off the box now. Right. I have background scale and menu, yeah. Oh yeah, I have background, yeah. I want a better background for the main game though. So I don't know if I want to spend time doing it. I think I might be done for today. I think that's it. I think I'm cooked. I just kind of want to go play Enfield. Yep. Yep. I think that's it. I mean, okay, I'm gonna be honest. Some of me is like, yo, what if I do some more? It's true. It is true. But then also I'm like, nah, not today. What is today anyway? It's a Friday. It's Friday. Yeah, that's a song, isn't it? We're gonna go raid Gunny today, I think. Yeah, we're gonna raid Gunny. It's been a while. They're playing a game at the moment, so it's kind of relevant. We're making a game. They're playing a game. It is what it is. Yeah, what if I just do a 180 and we just cancel, not cancel stream, we cancel the raid and continue streaming for another 18 hours? That has happened before. But yeah, I don't know. I need to do some of this off stream because some of it I really don't want to do, and when and some of it's like testing the like when the screen is AFK, that's gonna be boring as fuck to watch. Anyway, have fun at Gunny's stream. Bye bye.